Training athletes in the off season should include these three things. Number one is size and strength work. This is particularly important for undersized athletes who need to build size to compete at the next level. So it's a really good idea to be in the weight room 3, 4, 5 times a week if we can off season. Number two is sprinting. We don't want to go from no sprinting off season to a lot of sprinting preseason and in season. Instead, we want a small but consistent sprinting stimulus every week during the off season, even if that's just one time a week. Number three is aerobic base work. But for sports like soccer or field hockey or basketball that have an aerobic component to them, it's important that we're getting an adequate volume of aerobic training in the off season. Athletes are getting this from playing when they're preseason and in season, so we need to replace that and get enough volume of aerobic training by incorporating probably some steady state cardio in the off season period. Follow for more training tips.